If you're waiting to start YouTube because you don't have the perfect camera, lighting, or setup, I want you to pause for a second. I almost didn't start for the same reason, and today I want to tell you why you don't need an expensive equipment or perfect equipment to start. Hello, my name is Anne and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here I document my journey with personal growth, money habits, and learning YouTube as a beginner. I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional, I'm just someone starting where I am with what I have. So when I decided to start YouTube, getting or buying expensive equipment was honestly not an option for me. I mean, I had real life responsibilities and YouTube just had to fit into my life and not compete with it. And that was when I realized that wanting perfect equipment sounds responsible, but sometimes it's just fear wearing a nice outfit. You know, I give myself excuses and told myself things like, oh, let me wait until I get a better camera or a better phone. Let me wait until my filming space looks nicer. Or let me wait until I sound more confident, until I can appear on the camera without stuttering and all of that. But the truth is, if I had waited for the perfect time, I would still be watching other people live the dream I keep postponing. So you might ask what I'm actually using. Let me be honest with you. I'm not using a fancy camera. I'm using my phone, and even in this video, I'm not using my microphone. I have a microphone. I'm not using it. Why? Because my phone's charging port is 40, so the receiver doesn't sit well and it gives me a lot of headache trying to set it up, so I just pushed it to one side. I don't have a studio lighting. My filming space is not Pinterest worthy. As you can see, this is like a construction site, more or less like a project site. For me, I found that it's quiet, and why not create my content here? I'm using what I already have and I'm learning as I go, and you know what? It's just enough to start. One thing I want you to have at the back of your mind and always remember is that most people watching your videos for the first time are not judging your equipment. What they are after is the message you are trying to pass across. So, as a beginner, here are a few lessons I am learning in real time. 1. Content matters more than camera quality. 2. Clear sound and honesty beat perfect visuals. 3. Confidence grows with repetition and not with perfect equipment. 4. You can always upgrade later, but you can't grow if you never start. So these lessons that I've learned apply not just to YouTube, they apply to money and life in general. If you're like me, managing life, finances, responsibilities, please don't let lack of equipment stop you from starting. You don't need the best setup. All you need is courage, you need consistency, and you need permission to start small. If you're thinking of starting YouTube or any personal project, I hope this video encourages you to start where you are and with what you have. What's that thing? What's that something you've been postponing because you think it's not perfect yet? Please share in the comments below. If you are also on a growth journey, be it financially, personally, or creatively, please subscribe and let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.